If you have been looking out to how to start trading volatility indices on MT5, then stick around as I will be showing you on how to get started in less than 3 minutes. Alright, so this is my MT5 account, and you can see these are various volatility pairs that you can see, starting from step indices, boom and crash, down to volatility 51x and many other more. So if this is your concern, then stay tuned as I will be unveiling how you can get started in less than 3 minutes. So the first thing you need to do to trade volatility indices on MT5 is to register an account with the broker that offers this synthetic indices pair, and the link has been made available in this video description. So the moment you click on the link in the video description, it will bring you to their official sign off page, which is here. So you're going to select Nigerian if you are from Nigerian, but if you are from any other part of the world, maybe Kenya, Cameroon, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, India, or any country that you're from, you can click on this, type the name of your country, and it will reflect. Then you select it. But since I'm in Nigeria, I'm just going to leave it as Nigeria. So then the moment you click on sign up, is going to bring you to this page, and on this page what you're supposed to do is to sign up either using your Google account, your Facebook, or with your Apple ID. But since we already have I believe majority of us here have a Gmail account, so you can actually sign up using your Gmail. So you type in the name of the Gmail here. So you type in the name of your Gmail, and you click on next. So the moment you click on next, you are going to get a notification in that mail asking you to verify. They're going to send you a verification code. So you proceed to the Gmail to copy the code and paste it here. So the moment you verify your code, is going to bring you to the Deriv dashboard, where you're going to see your demo account or your real account. So you're going to say something similar to this. So you're going to click on try real account, and then they will ask you to put in your name and your address and all that. So once you fill all of those details, your dashboard is going to look like this. Then the next thing is for you to connect your account, or fund your account and connect it to MT5. Okay, so as you can see on my screen right now, this is MT5, or you can come to CFD here. Then once you click on CFD, it's going to open, and then you can either choose to proceed with a real account. If you want to start trading real account immediately, you can deposit. Once you're done depositing, you can actually transfer the money to your MT5, which is what you are seeing here. Once you deposit on this place, then the money is going to reflect, and you can click on this transfer, and you transfer it to your MT5, which is this. So the moment you transfer it to your MT5, then you are good to go. So the next thing I want us to look at is how you can connect your MT5 account or your Deriv account to your MT5 and start trading volatility indices on it. So look at this place where we have detail. You can click on detail, and it's going to show you your information. So let's quickly, let me use demo account to explain this part. So I'll come to demo here, and I'm going to click on detail, and here are my details. So I'll click on this login ID. We have our broker name, which is deriv.com limited. We have our server, which is Deriv demo, and also we have our login ID. So I will copy the login ID, and I will proceed to my MT5 to go and log in. Okay, so you come to your MT5, you click on this. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to show you this. Then click on the name and add account. Type the name of your broker, which we see that it is deriv.com. So you just, when you type Deriv, it's going to bring out various options for you, but you look out for the ones that carries deriv.com, which is this one right here. This is the one that carries deriv.com. So we are going to select it. Then you put in the login ID, which I've already copied from the dashboard, and then you type in your password, and the server is already there, Deriv demo, and you click on login. So once you log in, it's going to show you your balance immediately, which is what you're seeing here. So when you come down to quotes, which is this point here, when you come down to quotes, it's going to show you all of the various volatility pairs that you have. The ones that are not there, you can actually add them. So let's go to it. You click on quotes, and then it's showing you gold and some other things. But what you're interested in trading is volatility indices. So you come to this pencil sign here, and then you are going to remove the ones that you don't like and add the ones that you want to trade. So click on the pencil sign, you remove the ones that you want to, you're not interested in. You mark them out and you click on delete. Then this plus sign beside this delete button, you click on it, and then you scroll down and you're going to see volatility indices. There are various pairs that you can trade, but the one you're interested in is this one that says volatility indices. So this is the one you're going to focus on. So you click on that volatility indices, and you will have various volatility index to trade. So you scroll down and you add the ones you want to trade. This is volatility 10 1x. I'm going to add it. Volatility 10, volatility 100 1s, volatility 100, volatility 15, volatility 15 1x, 150 down to volatility 90. So you can add as many of these things as you like. Then you can actually look out for what? Boom and crash. You can go back, click on the plus sign again, and then come to boom and crash. If you want to trade boom and crash, this is it. So once you click on it, it's going to open, and then you add the various boom and crash that you are interested in trading. So if it is step index you want to trade, you can even type step index on this search bar, and then you scroll down to, because remember we have multi steps, we have skew step, but then what you're interested is step index. So this is step index 200, step index 300. So you can add from this step index down to step index 500. So once you're done, you go back, and then you have your various volatility, step index, and boom and crash. So the next thing is for you to start trading. So for you to trade, you can open your charts. For instance, volatility 51x, I'll click on it. They'll bring out the option for order, chart, and property. So I'm going to click on charts. So under charts, it's going to display what the market is doing. So I will study how the market is moving. If I notice that the market is trending to the downside, I will then look for opportunity to sell. If I notice that the market is trending to the upside, I will look for opportunity to buy. So within this button here, you can either, if you want to sell, this is the button you click. If you want to buy, this is the button you click. And this one right here is where you are going to determine the lot size that you will use. And lot size is just to know how heavy the decisions you're making is. So when the lot sizes are big, you are going to make a lot of money if predictions go in your favor. But if it's not, if it goes against you, you are also going to lose something tangible. So make sure that the lot sizes are not too small and they are not too big. Because if it is too small, you will not make as much as you want to make. But if it is too big and market did not go in your favor, you put yourself into risks. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel, where we host live classes on a weekly basis, and we also send free signals for traders to actually participate on. So I believe this video is helpful. I want you to give us a thumb up and share it to others so that they can also learn and benefit from it. Peace out.